Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing the 10-minute makeup challenge. I'm gonna set a couple of rules for myself. For example, I want to at least use 3 eyeshadows because I could easily do a 1 eyeshadow look. But I want to try to use at least 3 eyeshadows, and then the rest of the routine is going to be like a normal routine for me. So I'm going to try not to skip out on anything. Now I do have an advantage, as you guys know, I do not do my eyebrows, so that'll be easy. I'm going to try to keep the video as real as I would normally do my makeup. Also, excuse me if I sound sick. I apologize. This happens to me every day. I sound sick and then I'm fine, and then I sound sick and then I'm fine. I don't know what's going on. I think it's just the weather change. Anyway, let's get into the video. I'm going to set the timer on my phone and we will get started. I'm also going to zoom you in just a tiny bit. Okay guys, so my phone is set at 10 minutes, not 10 hours. I almost set it for 10 hours. But yes, so I'm going to get started. I'm super nervous. I'm sorry if I'm quiet. I just feel like the stress. Okay, so let me get my little thing here, and then I'm just going to click start. I'm going to put it down so I can open this. Okay, ready? Go. Oh my god, I can't even get the cap off. Oh my god, I should have put out my brushes. That would have helped. You guys, if you see me squinting, I just have not been able to wear my contacts lately. My eyes are not having it. Oh my god, I've already lost 30 seconds on one eye. Oh my god, you guys. Okay, good enough. Oh my god, that was a lot of setting powder. Why am I like this? Well, let me wipe some of that off. And then I just got some palettes that I had here on my filming desk. So that's what I'm gonna use. Okay. You guys. Oh my god, I'm already down 2 minutes. I just poked my eye. Oh, I'm not even showing you what I'm dipping into. So far I've done this and this for transition. You guys, I can't help it. I start doing my makeup and it just starts looking like fall. Let's go with this color. So I'm going in with this color here. I'm showing you guys like you're really gonna go and recreate this look. Down 3 minutes! You guys. I'm blending in full gear. I'm actually trying, you guys. I'm actually trying. And we're even gonna go in with a glitter. I don't think it matters which one. glitter was probably a mistake. Glitter was definitely a mistake. Now I have to clean it. Oh my god, you guys, we're already at 5 minutes. That's what happens for trying to be cute or whatever. Primer. Oh my god, I have glitter all over my hand now. Ugh, nobody stopped me. Nobody even said anything. Nobody said, no, don't go in there with the glitter. You guys, I'm not even gonna let this sit. I have to move on. I'm going in with a brush. I was really trying to challenge myself here with this glitter. And I don't even know if it did much. I can barely see. Oh my gosh. 5 minutes exactly. Okay, come on. You guys. I'm getting a cramp on my arm. I think that was way too much foundation. Oh my god, you guys. Okay. I have that on. Concealer. You guys, I love this dose of colors. Concealer. I'm gonna go with the brush. I never go with the brush. Okay, no, I'm not. I'm not going with the brush. My beauty blender's not wet. I apologize if you just heard that. You guys, I have like, I don't know, I can't do math right now. Oh wait, I don't need to do math. I have 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Well, less than that, but okay. That's gonna have to do. Setting. Oh my god, did I even grab a blush? I did not grab a blush. So we're gonna go in with this palette and we're gonna dip it into this color. Oh my god, I didn't even set my face. You guys. Let me move this before I have 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Okay. Grab a blush. I feel like I did, I just don't see it. And then highlight. I'm going in with the Airspun. Oh my god, loose powder is probably not the smartest choice. Oh, that was a lot. Let me close that. I have 1:35. You guys. Oh my god, you guys. Why am I like this? guys, my breathing has intensified. Coach my eye. This is stressful. I feel like I'm gonna be like quiet. Okay. Brows. Oh my god, I have a minute. Okay. You guys, the stress. The stress. Okay. Oh my god, you guys, I have 25 seconds. Oh my god. Okay, guys. I'm out of time. Let me zoom you in. Oh my god. I didn't even think about a lip. Seriously? Oh my god. Okay. Well, what I do have on my face is a little streaky. The eyeshadow's not the worst. I mean, okay guys, that was intense. I honestly can't believe that I forgot my lips. It was rough, you guys. My heart is still racing. I'm still breathing like a crazy, but I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If there's any other challenges, or I know I could do the no mirror makeup challenge. You guys, I feel like since recording I look so much at the mirror, but I didn't before. Like, I felt like I would be talking and doing my makeup. We'll see how that goes, because I feel like it's a mental thing. But yeah, if there's any other videos, challenges, products, anything like that that you want to see from me, please let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Ring the little bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And don't forget to share my videos with your friends and family. Also, if you want to help me reach a goal, I have a goal of reaching 50 subscribers by my birthday. My birthday's on the 9th. I think this will go up before then. Just subscribe, guys. Please help me out. But I will see you guys in the next one. Adios.